Okay, hello mga teachers. Hello, hello. Today I am going to make an updated video tutorial about navigating class in executing the demo tips, okay, the demo requirements here in my company, which is Happy Planet ESL. Okay, so I am currently with Happy Planet ESL, but still you can use this tutorial sa ibang companies na gusto nyong applyan. Okay, because Happy Planet, we have a different teaching approach. Hindi lang kami yung basta nagpapabasa ng words or lilinyahan mo lang yung word and then ipapabasa mo. No, we don't do that. We make sure na our classes are educational. We make sure we deliver the classes, the lectures very well. Like we make sure the students really understand what they are learning. Okay, so first, punta muna tayo dito sa paano natin i-download yung lesson, yung courseware. It can be in PDF or in PPT. Okay, paano natin siya i-download sa ClassIt. Okay, so as you can see here, we have here, nandito tayo sa home, andyan ang classrooms natin. So I only have two tonight. Nag-cancel kasi yung iba. So yan na lang ang natira. Okay, so here, we have here the drive. Let's click that. And then you are going to click upload. Okay, so I already had the courseware here. Nasa recent lang yan. Yan yung mga binuksan ko sa classes ko kanina. Okay, so we are going to upload your file kung saan nyo siya sinave. So, usually, di ba, magsisave siya sa files nyo. So, hanapin mo lang siya dyan kung saan mo siya sinave. So, I usually save mine sa downloads. Ayan, then, you select the PDF dyan. Yan, for example, yan. Then, click open. And then, lalabas na siya dyan. Okay, so, naka-upload na siya sa drive mo. Now, punta na tayo sa classroom. Okay, so, sa mga magde-demo, okay, yung demo nyo, nandito lang siya sa to-do list. Okay, dyan nyo siya makikita. So, you can still prepare for your classes. For example, yan, click mo yung prepare. Hello! Pupunta ka sa classroom, sa loob ng classroom. So, hindi yan agad-agad may classroom background. You need to put your own classroom background first. So, punta kayo dito sa settings. Etong settings na to, yung apat na dot ba yan or shapes. You click that, settings, classroom background, and then you are going to select which background you want to choose. Okay, so mine is from Canva. I just edited yung mga free doon. So, you can just use the free resources, okay? Edit nyo na lang yan ng mga free din. Okay? So, and then, select mo lang dyan. Kailangan mo i-select. Okay, let's select this pink. And then, okay na yan. With virtual background, you can also select anything here. Kahit picture. Pwede maging background. Okay, yan. Select that. Select that. Okay, I prefer this one. Okay. And this one. So, sa microphone, pwede nyong piliin kung anong microphone ang gusto nyong gamitin. So, my mic is, I use my Jabra Evolve. Okay, that is what I use, my headset. And then sa speaker, kung meron din kayong headset na gamit. Okay, I'm using Bluetooth headset kasi. Sumasakit kasi yung tenga ko sa sa headset, sumasakit yung tenga ko. So I just use Bluetooth earphones. And then pero yung mic ko is yung headset pa rin kasi syempre, 'di ba? Dapat maganda ang register ng boses natin. And malalaman niyo na malakas ang mic nyo kasi as you can see, ayan oh, pag nagsasalita ako, mataas yung green ng soundbar. Okay, so ibig sabihin, malakas ang register ng boses mo. Okay, so kahit hinaan mo lang. Diba, mahina na nga yung boses ko. Mahina na nga yung boses ko eh. Pero malakas pa rin siya po. Yan, eme. Okay, so yan, you can choose, make sure na naka-set yung inyong mga naka-set ang microphone, ang speaker nyo, and of course, your camera. Okay, so I just use built-in camera, which is this one. So, meron akong webcam, pero hindi ko siya ginagamit ngayon. Wala, mas gusto ko lang si built-in cam. Okay, now, since nandito na tayo, paano naman tayo magre-record ng classes? Paano natin i-record yung demo natin? Dito pa rin sa taas. This video icon here, itong video icon, you're just going to click that. Okay, usually kasi nakakalimutan nito ng mga teachers kasi pinangungunahan sila ng kaba. So, huwag kayong kakabahan. Okay? Pagkapasok nyo pa lang, pwede na kayong mag-record. Okay? Kasi may timer yung class natin dyan. As you can see, may timer, di ba? About to start. So, um, since 5 minutes before kayo makaka-enter, di ba? Pwede nyo nang i-record yan 5 minutes before. Or kung gusto nyo, basta wag nyo kakalimutan mag-record. Okay? Yun ang pinakamahalaga. Wag nyo kakalimutan mag-record kasi kailangan yung mag-record. Kailangan yan. Okay, now let's click this video icon. Saan nyo isi-save? May lalabas na prompt. Okay, kinlik na, di ba? Lalabas na prompt. And you're going to click record. Click record. And you need to make sure na alam nyo kung saan nyo isi-save. So, I usually save mine sa downloads kasi mas madali ko siyang mahanap. Okay, I save mine sa downloads. And sa una, naka-FLV itong video na to. So, make sure na i-save nyo in MP4 para hindi na kayo mahirapan mag-convert. Okay? And then, save. Okay, click natin yung save. Yan. So, kapag nag-record na siya, dapat naka-green blinking. Nagbi-blink ba? Hindi pala. So, dapat naka-green itong video icon na ito. So, ibig sabihin, recording na yan. Okay, naka-record na siya. Now, let's proceed na with this one. So, halimbawang hindi pa nag-i-start yung lesson, pwede kayong mag-off cam, okay? Pwede kayong mag-off cam. So, yung sa akin kasi meron siyang on and off. Ayan. Kasi kapag wala pang oras, tas pumasok na agad si student, and naka-open cam kayo, mangungulit yan. Hello teacher, hello teacher, hello teacher. Mangungulit yan. Okay? So, kung ayaw nyo pang mag-start, kung gusto nyo mag-start kayo sa start na talaga ng time, mag-off cam kayo. Or, you can just disable this camera icon. Okay, disable that. And then, make sure i-open nyo yan pag nag-start na kayo. Okay, now let's start with the lesson. Okay na, naka-record na tayo. So, of course, you are going to, itong tools. Okay, itong tools. These are the tools here na gagamitin nyo. So, we have the arrow, this box select. Okay, dito, box select na to, pwede kayo mag-select and then mag-delete ng dyan, ng text nyo. Then we have the pen. This is the pen. So, we have the free pen. You can do anything you want dyan. And then we have the straight line. We have the circle and the square. Okay. Now, the eraser. We can erase the free line lang. Okay, yung free line lang ang kayang i-erase ni eraser. Itong shapes, hindi kayang i-erase ni eraser yan, no? Ayan, no? Hindi. Dito siya mabubura sa box select. Yan. And then, may lalabas na ganito, click delete. Tada! Wala na siya. Okay, so that's very easy. Itong tools na to, sobrang dali lang neto, okay? After the eraser, we have the text. Okay, we have the text here. You can select the sizes here. We have 10, 14. So, I suggest you do recommend. Ano ba? I recommend using size 24 kasi mas makikita ni student yung inyong mga board writings. Okay, so if you are using lighter background like this, so as you can see, my classroom background, meron ako ditong board. Okay, meron ako parang clear board. Diyan kasi ako magta-type. Kasi kung dito kayo magta-type sa may mga picture-picture, like ganyan, di ba? Medyo hindi siya nababasa. Mahirap siyang basahin. Di ba? Mahirap siyang basahin. So, make sure na meron kayong parang pad paper dito. Diyan nyo, clear. Okay? Clear na pagta-typean nyo. Okay? This is optional, pero yeah, mas maano kasi siya, mas madaling mababasa yung mga board writings nyo or yung meanings nyo. Now, after the text, you can select any color here, pero make sure na readable siya ha. dito kasi sa classroom background na to, if you are going to use this one, if you are going to use the green blackboard, like this one, okay, huwag kayong magre-red text dyan. If you are going to use this green blackboard here or this one, wag na wag nyong gagamitin ang red color text. Okay? Mag-white na lang kayo. Kasi masakit daw sa mata. Okay? Kung green ang background nyo, like this one, yung free dito sa classroom, okay, wag kayong magre-red. Just use white. Okay, white. Mas okay yung white. Okay? So, let's use mine. O, diba? Lighter siya, tapos lighter din yung ano, hindi nababasa. So, okay, let's just use the black one. Okay, black. Okay, now, after that, we have the scissor icon. With this one, you can upload the images that you have saved sa Google. Okay, so just click this, upload image, mapupunta ulit kayo dito sa folder nyo, saan nyo sinave, sa download, and then you add the picture na sinelect nyo, na di-download nyo, okay? Just click it, open, nandyan na siya. Okay, like that. And then this one, the laser, I don't usually use this, so okay, let's skip that. Now, dito na yung dinownload natin na courseware. Okay, di ba dinownload natin yung courseware kanina sa labas ng classroom, sa drive, para pag nasa loob na kayo ng classroom, nandito na siya. Okay, kasi kapag nandito kayo sa loob ng classroom, hindi na kayo makakapag-upload. Ay, kaya rin pala. Kaya rin pala. Okay. Pero make sure na in-upload nyo na yon ahead of time, okay? In-upload nyo na yon bago pa kayo mag-class. Kasi nga, di ba, ibibigay yung lesson ahead of time. You have a lot of time to prepare, to practice the lesson. So, napaka-imposible namang hindi mo pa na-download yon sa classroom mo, di ba? So, you select here. Let's just use this one since this is the PPT or the lesson material that I gave you as a sample to practice. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, so cloud, okay na tayo sa cloud icon. Now, these are the toolbox. Another one, we can use here the the browser. Okay, browser, this one. Pwede para siyang ano, nag-download ka ng, nag-paste ka ng Google inside the classroom. Okay, pero hindi ko ginagamit, hindi ako dito copy paste or naghahanap ng meanings ko kasi nakikita ni student to. Okay, nakikita ni students to kasi nasa loob siya ng classroom. So, while we are recording sa loob ng classroom, kung magsuswitch kayo ng tabs, like this one, you open nyo si Google, kung open nyo si Google, ayan, hindi yan nakikita ni student. Yung classroom lang ang nakikita niya. So, kahit select kayo ng other tabs dyan, mag-open kayo ng Facebook, mag-open kayo ng Chrome. Okay, hindi yan nakikita ni student. Next is, okay, wala na. Chat box, you can't use the chat box since you are using free account. And then, that's it. Okay, this one sa student lang naman yan. Okay, wala na. Ang pinakagagamitin nyo lang dito is itong text, itong pen, itong arrow, yung select, okay, and usually this one. Okay? So now, let's proceed to the lesson. So, with this one, i-up natin to. Pwede nyong i-delete to, pero I suggest, halimbawa, part na to ng lesson, okay? Halimbawa, part na to ng lesson, huwag nyong i-delete. Huwag kayong magdi-delete. Huwag kayong magdi-delete. Just scroll your mouse. See? Bumaba na siya. New space na. Okay? New space. Balik natin. Balik natin. Diba? So, kung may kailangan kayong reviewin, balik nyo lang. Diba? Pabasa nyo ulit. Review nyo ulit kung ano yung nakalimutan ni student. Now, kung new space naman, para magta-type kayo ulit, or scroll up, scroll nyo lang yung mouse nyo. Okay? No need to delete. Just scroll your mouse. Kung wala kayong mouse or walang pang scroll yung mouse nyo, use the trackpad. Use the trackpad. 2 fingers. Trackpad. Okay? Okay. Yan. Trackpad lang. Okay? Use the trackpad ng laptop nyo. Okay. Now, let's proceed to the lesson. Now, okay, you are going to ask the student, okay, what do you call this? Okay, let's start the lesson. You introduce yourself to student. Hello, my name is Teacher Barbie. What is your name? How are you? Okay, so you ask open-ended questions. You need to make connections sa student nyo. Okay, by asking them how are them. Uh, have you eaten dinner? What did you eat for dinner? Okay, what did you eat? And then, oh, I like rice too. I ate rice. I ate chicken. I ate fish. Okay, my favorite, yeah, something like that. Okay, and then you're going to start na. No need to watch them. No need to magpa-watch pa kayo ng mga introduction videos like hello song, yung mga ganyan. No, it takes time. Ayaw nila ng ganun. Ayaw nila ng masyadong pambata yung lesson nyo. So, wag na kayo mag ganon-ganon. Okay, just introduce yourself and then proceed sa class. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Yes, I am ready. Okay. Now, can you please read the title of our lesson today? Can you please read? Okay, always make the student read. Read first, okay? Hindi kayo ang magbabasa. Always si student ang uunahin yung magbasa. Okay? And then after that, lost mitten. Do you know what is a mitten? Okay. Mitten. Now, dito na tayo magpo-proceed sa ating word expansion. So, word expansions, literally meanings. Okay, what is a mitten? So, kasama ito sa aking tips na yung inyong mga word expansions, isulat nyo sa papel. This is what I do, okay? This is what I do. Nung nag-demo ako, ito yung ginawa ko. Kasi, for sure, ang mga magde-demo is pangungunahan ng kaba. So, makakalimutan nila yung meaning ng words na yan. So, what I did before, what I did is I wrote my meanings sa papel. Punta ako sa Google. Punta ako sa Google. This one, I type the word, and then I write sa papel ang meaning ng mitten. A mitten is a type of hand covering. Okay, that is before. Di ba nagpe-prepare na kayo? So, yan ang gagawin nyo. Para, pag nasa lesson na kayo, lagay nyo itong papel na to sa harap nyo, dyan sa baba ng screen nyo, sa tabi ng keyboard nyo, nagta-type na lang kayo. Okay, you need to type it. Yung iba kasi ginagawa nila nandito na lahat agad. So, hindi. Mag-type pa rin kayo. At least. Mag-type pa rin kayo at least. Okay? So, now, what is a mitten? Do you have any idea what is a mitten? Sabihin ni student, it's like gloves? Okay. Yeah, mitten looks like glove. Okay, so, ano nyo pa rin? Type nyo pa rin here yung meaning ng mitten. Okay, a mitten is ganto, ganyan. Okay, type nyo yung word, okay? Type nyo yung word. And then, you add picture. Like this. So, di ba, nakita nyo sa Google? Okay, hindi naman yan nakikita ni student eh. So, you can prepare it in advance. Yung mga pictures nyo, pwede nyo rin yan i-prepare in advance. Just like what I said kanina, if sinave nyo siya, pwede nyo siyang i-save image, tapos magpunta siya sa file nyo, dito nyo siya sa upload image. Pero mine, nasanay na kasi ako ng ganito. So, punta lang ako dito, just copy image. Copy image, okay? And then, just click the arrow, click anywhere on the board, and then Control V. Nandito na siya. Okay, so this is a mitten. Okay, it looks like a glove, but the difference is the mittens only have 2 holes for your fingers. Okay, so it has a separate hole for your thumb, which is this one. This is your thumb, and then all of the fingers are in the other hole. Okay, ganon. Okay, so do you use a mitten on winter? Do you have a mittens? Something like that. Okay? Hindi kayo magtatapos lang sa paglagay ng meaning ng word and then paglagay ng picture. No, you are not going to end the word with that. You are still going to ask situational questions or relatable questions, relatable situations. Okay? Mamaya na. So, okay. So, yeah. You're going to ask the student, do you have a mittens? Are you familiar with mittens? something like that. Okay, when do we use mittens? We wear mittens during winter because it's very cold. Okay, so mittens provides hotter, ano yun? Mas mainit siya sa gloves, 'di ba? Okay, 'yon. Naubusan na naman ng English ang teacher nyo. Okay. Nauubusan din ako ng English, ha? Huwag kayong perfect dyan. Okay. So, yan. So, nag-type na kayo ng meaning? I-complete natin yung meaning. Baka sabihin nung iba dyan ganyan lang ano. So, I am just going to copy and paste this one, pero huwag niyong gagawin to sa demo nyo, ha? So, Control C and then Control V. Ay, hindi. Sa text. Okay, text. And then Control V. Okay. Dito lang to sa video, ha. Huwag kayong huwag niyong gagawin to sa actual demo nyo. Okay. Kailangan nyo i-type yan sa demo nyo. Okay. Okay. So, ayan. Di ba napansin nyo, nag-aano siya? Didire-diretso siya. Ay, ano? Ayan. See? Ano ko lang yan. Select ko lang. And then yan. Nagdidire-diretso yung yung text. So, what you're going to do is, di ba nga, kinlik ko tong text and then, ko lang yung courseware dyan and then click enter. Click enter. Bababa siya. Okay? So, halimbawa nagta-type din kayo, ganun lang din ang gagawin nyo. Enter, tapos type ulit. Okay? Do you understand? Do you get it, teachers? Okay. And always make sure to start with capital letter and ends with punctuation marks. Okay? Kasi titignan din nila yan. Di ba, importante din yan pag nag-grammar tayo. We always start with capital letters and then we end in a period or in a punctuation mark. Punctuation marks. Okay? So, yeah, you add pictures, something like that. And then, of course, the questions. Do you wear mittens? Do you have mittens? When do you wear mittens? Okay? When do you wear mittens? And then write the answer of the student. I wear mittens during winter. Or, ayan na, nag-enter ako kasi maano na. Or, cold seasons. Okay, cold seasons. And in punctuation marks. Okay, again, you don't end with just writing your meanings, you add additional pictures, and then you ask situational questions or open-ended questions. Okay, that is how we execute properly the demo requirements. Okay, you need to make sure your students understand the lesson before you move to another word. Okay, so as you can see, medyo matagal tayo sa mitten pa lang, sa title pa lang, that's fine. Then saka kayo mag-the next one. Okay, so again, for new spaces, scroll your mouse. Uy, ba't bumabalik? Okay, scroll your mouse and then. Now, what do you see in the picture? Ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Again, you ask situational questions, okay? For example, this picture is about role play, stories. Okay? Kita nyo naman may stories dyan. So, you ask the student, after niyang sumagot, do you like reading stories? Like, do you like fairy tales? Do you like magic? Do you like stories about animals? What kind of stories do you read? Okay, so let's say sinagot ni student, she likes fairy tales. Okay, she likes reading fairy tales. Okay, minsan hindi talaga nila naiintindihan kung ano yung sinabi nila. So, you need to make sure na alam niya yung sinabi niya. Kasi, halimbawa, di ba, nagbigay ka nga ng example, sasabihin lang niya is kung ano yung tumatak na word sa kanya. So, halimbawa, ang tumatak na word sa kanya is fairy tale, pero hindi niya talaga alam yon. Oh, sinagot niya si fairy tale. Okay, what kind of fairy tale? Wala siyang masagot. Ibig sabihin, hindi niya naintindihan. So, you give a sample stories na lang ulit. Do you know the stories of Snow White, Cinderella? Saka lang siya magkaka-idea pag narinig niya na yung familiar stories na yun. Oh, okay. I like Rapunzel, ganyan. O yun. So, that's how you add additional pictures ulit. Lagay kayo ng pictures ulit. Okay? And then, Rapunzel is long hair. Her stories, ganito, ganito, ganyan. You make relatable situations din sa kanya. Relatable questions. Okay? So, that is how you make your lessons more entertaining. Okay, it's entertaining, it's educational, and you also have the connection with the students. So that will be very engaging. Okay, so again, you need to make your classes interactive, educational, interesting, and engaging. Okay? Those four should be present. And of course, your board writings, hindi dapat yan mawawala. Okay? Kasi essential yan sa demo. That is very important. This is part of the demo requirements. Okay? Yung inyong mga board writings. Always try to expand everything sa lesson. Okay? So now, we are about to end the lesson. So meron na tayong, nakakaano na tayo. Ayan, 25 minutes na ako nagsasalita, di ba? Ayan, so halimbawa, ang demo natin is pa 25 minutes na. So we are on the 24th na. We are on the 24th minute run. So after ni student magsagot, okay, that's the time na kahit hindi pa tapos yung lesson ha, kahit hindi pa tapos yung lesson, wag na after yung ipabasa to, magmo-move na kayo sa next one. No, hindi ganon. May sarili kayong pacing kapag ganon. You are going to depend sa student kung naintindihan niya. Okay? So you don't need to rush the lesson. You just need to make sure the student understand it. Then, kahit hindi pa tapos ang lesson, you can just say bye. But not directly bye, bye-bye, okay? You need to give a little feedback. Okay? Just like everyone do in their classes, okay? Give a little feedback. So, within pag 24 minutes na, okay, that's the time na, okay, you did a great job today. I noticed that you still need to keep on practicing on reading. Okay, especially these words. Okay, you give the words na medyo nahirapan siya. Especially these words, the magic, the word plants. Okay, you need to improve your pronunciation with that. So you keep on reading those words. You need to practice more. And then I want you to express yourself more. So you need to practice your speaking too. Okay? And then you say your outro na. Okay, so nice to meet you today. Let's say the name of the student is Jenny. Okay, it's nice to meet you, Jenny. I hope to see you again next time. You did a great job today. Okay, then bye-bye. Ganon. Bye-bye. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Bye-bye. Okay, tapos na. Ganon ha. Give a little feedback. Huwag kayong magbabaybay agad-agad. Okay. Now, tapos na yung demo natin. Pwede na kayo mag-off cam, mag-disable ng cam, mag-disable ng mic. Disable ng mic. Ayan, wala na. Wala na. And then, you don't need to click this record icon ulit. Just click the X. Click this. And yes. Nandoon na yan. Hanapin natin. Punta tayo sa file. Saan natin siya sinave? Sa download, di ba? Sa download ako kasi mas madali ko siya nahanap. And ito na siya. Ito na yon. Naka-MP4 na siya. 80.2 MB. O, di ba? Mababa lang yung MB niya. So, kaya nyo na yan isend sa Messenger agad-agad. Okay, pero kung mataas siya sa 100 MB, i-download nyo sa Google Drive nyo. Sa Google Drive, ay, huwag na ipakita. Sabi nyo na lang. Punta lang kayo sa Google Drive nyo and then, upload nyo doon. Tapos, i-edit nyo yung access niya, i-allow access nyo, and then copy link, send nyo sa akin. Okay? Yon ang gagawin nyo after demo. Okay, so that's it for today. If you still have any questions, nandoon lang yan lahat sa guidelines ko. Okay, so bye-bye everyone. Thank you for listening. I hope you absorbed all of this and execute it, apply it on your classes. Gusto ko pumasa kayo, so make sure na huwag kayong mag-skip. Gusto naman, para naman tayong nagba-video vlog nito, huwag kayong mag-i-skip ng video. Okay, goodbye.